I just wanted to hop in here before the video started. This video was over 4 hours long. Um, so there will be a lot of jumps and cuts that might not make sense, but just note that they are very necessary because you have like over 30 minutes of just me saying absolutely nothing or doing the most random shit that doesn't really even get us remotely close to, you know, existing properly in the game. Just wanted to get in here before the video started to say that. So that's how you fix them. Yep, that's loud. Okay. I'm sorry. Maybe it's like a metal core. Like I don't know. I don't know how. Um. Well. Uh. My honest opinion, I think we blow up that planet. I want to sleep. Why don't you want to sleep? Oh. Um. Is something happening? I wasn't asleep that long. Alright then. Ugh, shit. I drive in my MRE. I mean, something's happening. I guess we just continue working. Jesus. Kel, you scared the fuck out of me, by the way. No? Man, it's quiet. There we go. Transformer 1's fixed. Alright, now I'll go get 3, just, you know, just so they're all up to par, at least. I'm okay with that. Okay, I'm not okay with this. Okay. That's how I will describe it. Unstoppable now. Feels pretty bright. Alright. Fully healed up. Shit, don't. I'm fine. I saw a tree. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like some trees just don't belong in that spot. Like, I know they have the moving trees. What? Um... Um... That's got my heart going. Jesus, what is... What? I can grab the car? The hell? Oh, okay, can I can... do I have a hook? I could probably try to, like, tow it back. Oh, wow, I can tow that really easy. No, come here. I swear to... There. Come on. Man, towing this... Getting this back's gonna suck. Don't... Okay, not... Where is... Okay, we're gonna walk it down. Okay, okay. That's good. Slow. I'll come back for the ATV later. Okay, stop! I think I just lost my hook. God, stop. Why? You're a car. Come on, get back on your wheels. Stop. We aren't doing this again. Just taking my car for a walk, don't mind me. We're approaching... Ah! There we go. I saw that. I'm not sure if I was supposed to, but I saw that. There's a troll face on the front. Come on. Yep, there you go. Stop. I can put you in a parking spot. You would actually have like a... Actually, I'd actually have something to put in the... Come on. Thank you. Nice. Actually... Nice. I gotta go get my ATV. That was an adventure. I do need to get. I need. Okay. Alrighty. That's a lot of money, though. What the heck. We grab it, flip it upside down, and just... Oh, full drive box. That's a drone. I hear it. I hear it faintly. That's a lot of work, too. They're all level 3, then I can get the report. And we'll have a grand old time. Guess what? You got you a friend! Alright. Let me go bring this list in here. I see it! 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 That's cool. Can I just, like, watch it? I think that looks cool. Actually, no. Outside. I took so many pictures. It's probably not even funny how many pictures I took. Oh! 79. You know what? Okay, sure. All I need is the report. I was looking through the wiki because I didn't know what that said. Alright. Well, that was fun. Let's never do that again, shall we? I like put you in here? Holy shit. Okay. Um, I'm sorry to you, but you gots to. Crispy. What the fuck? That's weird. What are my weekly results? It's quite pleasant this week. 500-point bonus. Let's go. With all this combined, we have...
Yeah.
I'm going to fight you. You cost me so much of my time. Here.
Yeah.
I need to figure out what to do with all this. Well, this could be a long lost. This could be a dream of another Curfus at some point for some fucking reason if I want to do all that again. I'd have to get another radioactive capsule, and I don't want to fucking do that. Says there's something out here. But, okay. Shit, I'll take it. It said on the map that something was out here. And, wow, okay. Oh, toolbox. Sure. Just a chair. Hey, you got something on it? Yeah, no, I don't know what this is. Shit, sure, why not? Tons of paper just for me? How thoughtful. Blueprint, radioactive capsule recipe, compressed radioactive material, metal scrap, gas welder? Oh, so I can make it. How? I was trying to sleep. Don't I have like a chocolate bar? No. Um, Curvis, you scared the fuck out of me. Um, Fuck it. I. Okay. Alright, that's fucked up. Uh, what the fuck is happening? I was about to leave. I don't care. Oh, what the fuck is that? Something purple. I don't know if I'll get a better look if I manage to get over there. Alright. What the? Whoa, okay. Man, I probably shouldn't even be up here. For Stackler. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Jesus. Where's the moon? That's not what we're looking at. There's one over there, right there. Oh, then I'll set the moon. Oh, what? Alright. Is it just a ball of purple light? Alright, alright. I do need to call the video, so 30. Alright. That's there's my delivery. Two signals, level 3. Oh, right. Well, at least I have a way of making electronic scrap.